Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, students. Today we will see how to perform the animation by using the cascading style sheet, that is CSS. Just wait for 1 minute. I will show you the some demo examples. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Now you can see here. Is this visible to you? Please check. Hello. Yes. Is this visible? Hello. Dhanasri. Vaishnavi, please check. Raviraj, Rohan, Parth. Please check. Is this visible to you? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Now, here we have we added here the one field set, and within this we added the one tag. How to add the tag for a field set? What is use of field set? Field set is used to group the some data fields. Okay. Here is the use of a field set. Field set is used to group the data fields. It is just like this one. Here is the one field is grouped, and if you want to give the title for this group of a field along with the title, then we will use the one tag. Name of this tag is the legend. What is the legend tag? Legend tag is used to give the title for your field set. Now you can see here we are given the title is the KIT Engineering College. KIT KIT Engineering College. Here we are given the title for this field set is the KIT Engineering College, and within this field set we have added the one tag. Name of this tag is the B tag is used for a bold, and here you will learn the advanced of web programming using CSS. That is cascading style sheet. Now we'll apply also here the H1 tag for this one. Here we applied the H1 tag, and here just we are going to displaying the heading one, that is here you will learn the advanced web programming using CSS, and as well as we have also applied the one title for this field set using the legend tag. We applied here the style tag. What is of a style? What is this style indicating? This style is the inline CSS. If we apply the CSS within the particular HTML elements, then this style sheet will be applicable for your only particular this HTML elements. If you added the style attribute within the any HTML element, at that time we will say that this one is the inline CSS, because this style sheet is applied or inserted within the line. That's why this is called as a inline CSS. This is only applicable for a one particular tag, and if you are going to apply the style sheet for a whole page, at that time we will add the style sheet within the head tag. This is called as a internal CSS. And if you want to apply the style sheet for a multiple web pages, then we will use the external style sheet. In the some upcoming lectures we'll study how to apply the external style sheet. Today we'll see how to apply the animations. Here we apply the style with color is the red, font size is the 20 pixels, as well as we apply this term style sheet. You can see here on the field set. What is the field set? Here is the element name. If the element name is the field set, then apply the style sheet. What is the style sheet? Width is the 100 pixel, height is the 100 pixels. Where I will apply here the 150 pixels. Background color is the purple. I will use another one. Can. Background color is the can, and WebKit animation is the my first 20 years. What is the my first? Okay, we don't know what is my first, but I have declared here the what is my first. You can see here at the rate dash WebKit dash keyframes is my first. My first will be applied after the 20 seconds. 20 seconds नंतर ते काय होते त्याचं रोटेशन नुसार ते चेंज होते. Means what we are specified here, we have defined here the there is one keyframe. Name of this is the my first. This will be applicable after the every 20 seconds. Means this will be applied again and again after the 20 seconds. But what is the my first? We have declared here the my first 0%. Background is the aqua. If the 25%, then background is the yellow. If the 50%, background is the gains borrow, and if there is 100%, then background is the pink. Now you can see what will happen there. Then you will understand. After you can see after the 20 seconds, the color will be changed of this box. Yes, is this visible to you? Please see here, the color of this box will be changed after 20 seconds. This is the purple, then it will be going to the next color. After this some time, this is the can color, that will change to the next one. This is called as a animation. Means we applied the animation on a web pages by using the WebKit animation. Here the one property is important, WebKit animation. I will show you some other properties. Okay, now you can see this box is moving around your web pages. How to move this box from one position to another position? You can see this box is moving, as well as changing the color of this box. Means we are making the our web pages more interactive, as well as we are making the look and feel out of your web pages is very good by using the CSS with the help of a WebKit animation. Means here we are using the WebKit animations tools to manage the look and feel part of your web pages. Now I will show you what we have done for this one. This just you can see here what we have done. Here we have just applied. Just before that, I will show you one H1 heading tag, CSS animation tag, CSS animation. Here the HR tag, and under this we have added the div tag. Now what we applied on the div tag, first you can see here same thing as earlier. We applied on the div. Div is the, what is this one? This one is the class selector, element selector, ID selector. Please tell me what is this. If we apply the div, and within the curly bracket we apply the some properties as well as the values. This one, is this class selector, or is this ID selector, or is this element selector? Anyone please tell me. Hello? Yes, anyone please tell me what is this. Is this class selector, group selector, element selector, ID selector? Dhanasri, Vaishnavi, Rohan, Raviraj, Utkarsha, Komal, Parth, Rohit, Abhishek, साक्षी, नम्रता, मानसी. यस, अरे हा कोणता CSS आहे? सिलेक्टर, क्लास सिलेक्टर, ग्रुप सिलेक्टर, एलिमेंट सिलेक्टर, ID सिलेक्टर. What is this? What is this div? Element. Okay, very good. Rohan Gaikwad. Okay, this div is any one HTML elements, and we have applied on the this CSS on the div. Div is the element, so that this one is the element selector. Okay, good. Then you can see here we have first applied the which property? Padding. What is use of a padding? Padding will add the space between the text and between the border. Means it will add the space around your text. This is called as a padding. Means between the border and between the text. This is called as padding. We applied the space around your text by using the padding property with the 50 pixel. Then we applied the width is the 50 pixel, height is the 50 pixel, background color is red. By default background color is red, and position is the relative. Then we also applied here the WebKit animation, my first, after 5 seconds. 5 seconds नंतर त्याची चेंज करा आपण. Now I give here the 10 seconds. Okay, what is the my first? आता इथं WebKit animation मध्ये काय दिले मी my first ला की फ्रेम कॉल करतोय. Then at the rate WebKit keyframes is the my first. What we have done inside the my first, you can see here the when the 0% is happened at that time, background color is red, and which is going to the left position with left is the 0 pixel. There is a space, there is a space at the left side of your box is 0 pixel, and space at the top is 0 pixel. After 25% म्हणजे आता 10 seconds 25% म्हणजे किती होणार? 2.5 seconds. After the 2.5 seconds, what will happen? Background colors become yellow, and it is just moving to the 20 pixels from the left and 0 pixels from the top. म्हणजे आपण काय करणार आहे? Just we are moving towards the right. फ्रॉम दी लेफ्ट कडे 20 पिक्सेल्स जागा सोडून आपण काय करणार आहे राईटला येणार आहे आणि टॉपला किती झिरोज म्हणजे यू कॅन सी हिअर व्हॉट विल हॅपन इट इज जस्ट गोइंग टू दी this position to the this position. Please here first I will add the 20 seconds, then you will know. Please hear carefully what will happen here. आता इथून यात 3 सेकंद मध्ये कुठाला इथं म्हणजे इथं काय झालं 20 I will extra add this some extra 400 करतो म्हणजे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. Yes, then you will know what will happen here. 400 pixel. I will add here the 400 pixel. Then you will know what will happen there. Yes, it is just going towards the right position. Then it is going to the bottom position. Then it is going towards the again left with the changing color. But how to do all this thing? We applied the WebKit animation my first 20 seconds. 20 seconds चे 0% झाली की काय करा color background color is the red left there is a space is 0 pixels and top 0 pixels. If the 25% is over, that is the 25% of the 20 seconds means the 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, what we are going to do? Background color is yellow, left 400 pixel, and there is nothing on the top. After 50 pixel आपण आता फर्स्ट पोझिशन टू सेकंड आता सेकंड कडून थर्ड जातोय म्हणजे आपण परत काय करणार लेफ्टला 40 ठेवतोय पण टॉपला 400 पिक्सल ठेवाय आफ्टर 50% बॅकग्राउंड कलर इज बिकम येलो लेफ्ट पोझिशन कडून 400 पिक्सेल्स आणि टॉप कडून अगेन 400 पिक्सल आता 75 ला अगेन कुठे जातोय आपण इकडे जाणार आहे परत थर्ड पोझिशनला मीन्स बॅकग्राउंड कलर इज बिकम ग्रीन लेफ्ट पोझिशन इज 0 पिक्सल टॉप कडून 400 and लास्टला परत आपल्याला again we want to go to the initial position, so the background color is red left with 0 pixel and top with 0 pixel. Now you can see here again I will remove this all this thing, then you will know what will happen here. Okay, I will remove all this thing, then you will know what will happen here. But initially this box is here, I want to move this box from this position to this position, then I will add here the after 25%, then I will change the just wait for a minute, I will add the background color. What is background color? Background is become green. Background is become green and from the left 400 pixel and from the top nothing, from the top 0, from the top we will add the 0 pixel, then you can see what will happen there. Yes, you can see this is moving from the one position to the another position. Okay, and the color is become green. Now we will add the after 50%. After 50% what we will do, please put in your chat box. 50% नंतर background color is yellow. Background color is yellow. Okay, from left 400 pixel, sorry, not background, only background is required here, sorry. Background color, background is yellow and from left 400 pixel and from top also 400 pixel. 400 pixel. Now you can see what will happen. One position to second and second to third towards the downward. You can see here. This is going towards the downward. Okay. Now we are moving to the third position. म्हणजे आता इकडच्या third position ला जाऊया आपण. We are moving to the third position. What is I will apply here the 75% and then background. Background is orange. Background is orange. Left with left ला किती आता पिक्सल पाहिजे, please tell me how much for a left and how much pixels are required for a top, please. Anyone please put your answer in chat box. Hello. Am I audible? Please check. Yes, Rohan. Am I audible? Please check. Other person. I think yes. Am I audible? Priyanka. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Rohan. हा. How much pixels are required for a top? आता आपल्याला काय करायला पाहिजे सांगा प्लीज. Yes, Rohan or other persons. Please put your answer in chat box. Yes, Namrata, Mansi, Rohan, Isha, Mitali, Vrishali, स्नेहा पाटील, सोनाली, ओमकार. अरे किती येणार सिंपल आहे. हाऊ मच फ्रॉम ए लेफ्ट 0 पिक्सल and how much from the top 400 pixel 400 pixel. Now you can see. Then again it is going towards this position. Yes. And again 100 ला पण सेम घ्यायचा. सेम 100 ला पण इनिशियल पोझिशनला जातोय. 100 background 100 background is again red color. Okay, then left 0 pixel, again top with 0 pixel. Okay, now you can see what will happen. It is moving from one position to second, then again from second to third, then third to fourth, and again from the fourth to fifth. That is the initial position. Yes, hello. All of you understood this one, how to apply the animation by using the WebKit animation. Here, what we have done, we applied here the padding is the 50 pixel, width is the 50 pixel, height is the 50 pixel, background color is the red, position is the relative, and WebKit animation is the my first 20 seconds. 20 seconds नंतर my first ही keyframes आहे ते apply करा. Then we have declared here the at the rate WebKit keyframes my first. What is the my first? After the 0%, you change the color is red and position is the left from the left 0 pixel and from the top 0 pixel. After the 25%, background color is become green and position from the left 400 pixel and from the top 0 pixel. After the 50%, background color becomes yellow from the left 400 pixel and from the top 400 pixel. After the 75%, background color is becomes orange and position from the left is become 0 pixel and from the top 400 pixel. After the 100 pixel, that is going again we are going to the initial position. Background color is become red and position from the left is 0 pixel and position from the top is again 0 pixel. Yes, all of you understood this one. How to apply the animation on our web pages. Yes, please put your answer in chat box. Okay, yes, thank you. Thank you, Amkar. If there other person, please put your answer in chat box. All of you understood this one? Yes. Yes, students, please put your answer in chat box. Yes, other person. There are so many persons are here. Okay, now we apply this some other properties like just something. Okay, we have completed today. We have completed the chapter number 2. Now today I will come back to the chapter number 1 and some points are remaining from the chapter 1. I will complete first. First, I will complete the some points which are remaining from the chapter 1. That is from the HTML. So first, I will go again. I will go back to the. Is there any doubts from the CSS? Hello, all of you. All of you understood this one? Chapter number 2. CSS is over. Hello, please tell me. Yes. Is this clear? Chapter number 2. How to apply the CSS? Yes, Dhanasri, Rohan, Raviraj, Samruddhi, Utkarsha, Parth, Rohit, Sarang, Avdut, Omkar, Mitali Jogle, Avinash Kumar, Isha Mirje, Mansi Patil, Yes, okay. Omkar Talekar. Yes, all of you understood this one. Chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 CSS and समजलेला आहे, I think. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Today I will discuss with your doubt. If you have any doubt regarding the chapter number 2, that is from the cascading style set. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. We will cover, we'll discuss with your doubt. All these demo examples are available on the Moodle as well as on the Google Drive. You can download this demo from Google Drive and implement at your machine or at your end and see the demo examples results as well as the fix of these CSS. Now we will come to the chapter number 1 to complete these some points which are remaining. Now I will go back to the some points from the chapter number 1. Placeholder, I will apply here the one placeholder. No, placeholder dot html. Student registration form. Student registration form. Okay, after h1 I will create here the one first name, input type is equal to text, name is equal to FNM, and then I will add here the break tag, then I will add here the last name. Input type is equal to text and name is equal to LNM. I will add here the break tag, then I will add here the input type is equal to submit. I will also apply here the h2 tag. You can see here what is the this form look like this one. If I want to add the mobile number, I will add here the mobile number, or otherwise I will add here the some credit card number, credit card number. Okay, I would like to accept the credit card number from the users. Input type is equal to text, then I will define here the name is the credit number. Okay, credit number, then here the break tag. Okay, now you can see here this form is look like this one, but if I want to add here the one placeholder, you will see what is the placeholder. If I will add here the placeholder, then you can see I would like to so add the one number like 1 2 3, then dash, then to 4 5 dash, then dash 6 7 8. You can see here how this look likes. Here the one placeholder is seen to you. Hello, is this seen to you? There is one placeholder is added for a credit number. Means we are giving the one suggestion to the users. You should submit the one number like this one 1 2 3 dash 4 5 dash 6 7 8. As well as we can also add the placeholder is also applicable for another one, that is to it is really applicable for a date. If you want to accept the date within the one particular format like dd mm yy or dd mm yyy, like this one, at that time we will add here the placeholder. Means what is the use of a placeholder? You can see here the what is of a placeholder. Or the placeholder attribute specify the short hint that describes the expected value of an input field. Means here we are adding the one placeholder attribute within our HTML element. The placeholder attribute added within the HTML element, and this specify the short hint that describes the what is the expected output or what is the expected value from the users within the input field. Let's suppose that here we are given the, you can see here we are given here the placeholder for a credit card is the 123-45-678. Means we are expected the one value from the users. We are expecting the credit card in the given format like this one 123-45-678. Yes, all of you understood this one. What is the use of a placeholder? Yes. Hello, all of you understood this one. How to add the placeholder? We have added here the placeholder within the input for a input field. We can also add here the pattern. Means we are applying here the required field. Okay, required field. Here we are given the required field. Required. Now you can see what will happen there. Please here. Suppose that I have given the input first name is the Ajit and I have given the last name is the Patil. Having the last name is the Patil, and if I am trying to submit the data without entering the credit card number, what will happen? You can see here the value will not be submitted. Okay, because of that this field is the required field. Okay, this field is the required field. Again I will also apply here for a required. Suppose that if I am not given the last name, then you can see what will happen. Data will not be submitted. A required field, required in HTML. Data will not be submitted. Just wait for a bit. Yes. Okay. There's one. Then we can also add the pattern field. Okay, sorry. Here is required to add the form. By mistakenly, I have forgotten to add the form. That's why this one is not showing you message. I will add here the one form tag. Then and then this required field will be applicable. Okay. आता required field applicable will check करा. Okay. Now I'm trying to submit the data. Then you can see here is the required field. It is showing you. Please fill out this data. I have not applied the required field for a first name, but I have applied the required field for a last name. And then by mistakenly, I have not given given any data, but I am trying to submit my data. Then you can see what will happen. If I click on submit button, it will show the message. Please fill out this data. Now I will give the data for last name is Patil, but I have not given any data for a credit card number. Then again it will show the message for a credit card number. You can see here, please fill out this data. But if you want to show the message for this field, please fill out the credit card number. Then we can also use the another one. Required a message. Just wait, I will show you. Required message in HTML. Just wait. Small message, I think it is not applicable. We'll see. This is only for small message for a Firefox. We're working with Google Chrome, that's why it is not applicable. I will see title. I think this version is not applicable. Okay, okay, let them away. आता इथं काय केलं आपण we applied here the required field. आता required field नुसार काय check केला if we want to accept the data from the users and this data is mandatory, at that time we will apply the one attribute on this input field is called as a required, means this one is tells to your browser this data is required. Before submission of before click on a submit, user must enter this data. And next one, input type, here is the another one is the pattern. Now suppose that I will show you, just wait for 1 minute. I will give here the one action is equal to something like, I will see which pages are available there, just wait. Is there table.html? I will give the title action table.html. Suppose that if you just given the first name as Ajit and if you just not entering the something, then there is one message displayed, please fill out this data. Then again I will provide the last name is a Patil, but I have not entered the credit card number and I am trying to submit this data. Then it will again show the one message, please fill out this data. Now I will give the credit card number like anything else. Okay, I have given the credit card, and if I am trying to click on submit button, then data will be submitted successfully and go to the next field. Okay, the data is submitted successfully. We have given the action is the tabl table.html. This action is correct. Why not going to this one? Just what I will see what will happen there. Table.html. I will apply to the another one. OE html data demos. OE html data demos. Yes. Yes, okay, good. Now we can see here, if I am not given the first, if I am not given the last name, then what you can see, there is one, if I am not given any data, I have not given the data for a first name, I have not entered any data for last name, I have not entered any information for a credit card number, and I am trying to click on a submit button, then you can see what will happen. It is just parsing from the top down approach. At that time what will happen, there is a no required field for a first name, so it will not be showing the message for a first name, but there is a one requirement. You can see here, input type text first name, there is no required field for a first name, but you can see here input type is equal to text, name is equal to name, and there is a required field for a last name, so it will show the message for a last name. I have given the I am not given the anything for last name, then it will show the message, but I have given the last name, then it will show the message for a credit card number, then I will show you something else. Okay, then you can see if I click on submit button, data will be submitted and sending the action to the HTML table. Okay, now what I will do is that next thing is that I'm just going to see Okay, next thing is that what we will do, we are just going to apply the pattern. Pattern, what is the use of a pattern? Means we are going to accept the data from the users within the particular pattern. Now you can see here I am just going to apply the pattern field. What is the pattern field? You can see here I am just going to apply the pattern for a credit card pattern. I'm just going to accept the numbers between 0 to 9 from the users. First are the 3 digits. Okay, then dash, then again I am just going to accept the numbers between 0 to 9 and there are 2 digits. Okay, now you can see here again I am going to accept the numbers between 0 to 9 and how many digits are required there? 3 digits. Means you can see here our pattern is for a credit card is like this one. Enter the 0 to 9 first 3 digits, then dash, then again 0 to 9 2 digits, and again 0 to 9 3 digits. Now you can see here I have applied here the pattern and just I am trying to submit the data whatever is given. You can see here I have given the first name is Ajit, last name is Patel, and I am trying to accept the some data within the credit card number. You can see here what will happen there. Please match the requested format. Requested format आपण इथे pattern already टेल आहे बघा, आपण ते already दिले आहे 123-45-678 means user must enter the credit card in the given format like this one 123-45-678 means you allow the users to enter the data in the given format like 123-45-678. But how to give this validation? We have applied here the pattern. You can see here we have applied here the pattern. Pattern is equal to within the square bracket what data we want between the 0 to 9. How many digits? 3. We have declared 3 digits within the curly bracket, and which data is required? 0 to 9. With this data is specified within the square bracket. Then dash is required. Then again accept data between 0 to 9. How many digits are required there? 2 digits. Then dash. Then again we are accepting the data between 0 to 9. We have declared this data within the square bracket. And how many digits are required there? 3 digits. Okay. Now I will give the data 785 dash 45 dash 623, and I am trying to submit this data. This data is correct because this data is given in the format that is this one is matches with the pattern. कारण आपण काय केले पहिल्यांदा 3 digits, then dash, then 2 digits, then dash, then suppose I will apply the at the AGSF. Now again it will show the message, please match the requested format. What format is required there? Their data is required like this one. I have given the 785-45-254. If I am trying to click on the submit button, then data will be accepted because I have given the credit card in the given format. Yes, data is accepted. Means what is of a pattern? Yes, all of you understood this one. What is the use of a pattern attribute in HTML? Again, I will just show you what is of a pattern attribute. The pattern attribute specify the regular expression that input elements value is checked against on the form submission. The pattern attributes works on the following text input types like text, date, search, URL, telephone number, email ID, password. Like this means we can apply the regular expression validation on any HTML input field by using the pattern. Means we are accepting data in the particular format. Yes, all of you understand. Yes, we can apply. This one is also where this applicable. There is a this one is applicable for a credit card, for a date of birth, also for a postal pin number. Again, it is also applicable for the email ID, like this one. Yes, all of you understood this one. What is the use of a pattern? Here we are given the pattern. What is the? I will see the pattern for email. Pattern for email. I will see. This one pattern is for the email. 02-029 at the rate 0 to 9 A to Z 0 to 9. Last one is the .com, like this one. I will apply this pattern for email. Just wait, you can see here what will happen there. You can see here what will happen here. Yes, you can see here. Please fill out this field, and I would like to fill this something. Then you can see here the please include an at the rate in the email address. Okay. Please see here. I have given the email address like this one. Suppose I have given the Ajit Patil dot kitcoek.in. I have given the Ajit Patil dot kitcoek.in. I have given the incorrect message. Then you can see here. Please include the at the rate in the email address ajitpatil.kitcoek.in. Yes, this will display the message just like this one. Then I will add the message. I will add here the Ajit Patil at the rate kitcoek.in. Yes, is this okay? Yes, all of you understood this one. We applied here the pattern for a email. What is the pattern? 02. We can add the characters between small a to z 0 to 9. Then plus at the rate symbol is there. Again apply the 0 to small z, small a to small z 0 to 9, and followed by the A to Z is the 2 to 4 characters. Last पण जास्त चालणार नाहीत. I will suppose I will given this something like this one ktck.in, and I have given the more characters at the end. Then you can see please match the requested format. Last ला फक्त 2 ते 4 characters लागणार आहेत. Means we can apply the pattern. Means we can perform the validations by using the pattern field. Means here we are validating the user's data at the client's web browser by using the pattern field. Pattern field is just like the regular expression for validating the user's data. Means we can validate the user's mobile number, user's email ID, users has given the email in the particular format or not, users has entered the credit card in the given format or not, users has entered his or her mobile number in the given format or not, like this one. Yes, all of you understood this one. What is a pattern? Pattern is used to verify or validate the user's input information which is entered within the input text box, like input field, like the text box, date, date, input. We can see, we can validate the all data. Yes, all of you understood this one. Yes, if you need, hello, all of you understood this one. What is the use of a pattern, please? Yes, Omkar, Sarang, yes, all of, yes, all of you understood this one. Yes, Omkar, Sonali, Sneha, Utkarsh, Samyukta Patil, Sarang, Parth, Komal, Shivendra, Samruddhi, Rohan, Dhanasri. Yes, all of you understood this one. What is use of a pattern? Yes, okay. आता पॅटर्न आता पिनकोड साठी काय चेक करूया. आता मोबाईल नंबर साठी चेक करूया. पॅटर्न फॉर इनपुट, आय थिंक देयर इज ऑल्सो पॅटर्न फॉर ए mobile number is available. I will see here. Yes. Here we will apply the mobile number like this one. Just I will show you. You can see here. After mobile number, I will add here the after email ID. I will add here the mobile number. Mobile number. Input type is equal to text. Name is equal to phone number. Pattern is the mobile number starts with the 0 to 9. There is one characters followed by the 0 to 9, 9 digits. Title phone number starts with the 0 to 9 and remaining 9 digits with the 0 to 9. We'll see. I have given the first name Ajit, last name is Patel. I have given the mobile number. Then I will provide the Ajit at the rate Gmail. Ajit at the rate gmail.com. Then I will provide the mobile number. Anything else? It will show you the please match the requested format. Phone number must starts with the 0 to 9. You can see here phone number must start with the 7 and 9. 7, 8, 9. I will add here the इथे टायटल मध्ये मेसेज पण देऊ शकतो आपण नंबर start with start with 7 to 9 and remaining 9 digits with between 0 to 9. Yes, I will add here the now I will add the mobile number starts with the 8, 9 and I will add this something extra data and I'm trying to click on then you can see here please match the requested format. Phone number with this 7, 9. Phone number with just I'm and I'm trying to add the 7, 8, 9. Then you can see again this. Please match the requested format. Phone number start with the 7, 8. Phone number start with the 7, 8, 9 and remaining 9 digits with between 0 to 9. If I given the like 83089415757, then you can see what will happen. Yes, data is accepted because we have given the data in the given format. We have entered the data in the given format. Means we can perform the validation of the data at the client side by using the pattern field. There are so many attributes as well as the new HTML elements are available within the HTML5 to perform the validation of a user data at the client side. Yes, all of you understood this one, how to perform the validation of a data at the client side? Yes, please answer in chat box. How to perform the validate, how to perform the validation of a data at the client side by using the input with the on the input field with the help of a pattern attribute. There is a one attribute is required called as a pattern आणि हा title tag कशासाठी यूज आहे title attribute used to display the error message. Which message you want to display on this field? Suppose I would like to display the title message. आता इथं पण आपण टायटल मेसेज देऊ शकतोय. What message we want to give there? If the given pattern is not matching, the given pattern match. If the given pattern is not matching, then we are displaying the message, one error message by with the help of a title. Now I will add here the one title message. title. I will add here the title KIT credit card not matching. Okay, now you can see here, suppose I'm just trying to give the incorrect credit number, then you can see what will happen there. Please match the requested format, and here the one message KIT credit card not matching means we can give the our customize the message for this field. What I have message given? I have given there one message KIT credit card is not matching means we can provide the our customize the message for this pattern if there is a pattern is not matching. Yes, all of you understood this one, how to provide the customize the message if this pattern is not matching, if this pattern is missing mismatched, then how to show the customize the message to the users. We can use the which attribute we have used here, the title attribute.